Have you ever scrolled through a website and admired its sleek look? Or been drawn to a product because of its eye-catching packaging? That's the power of design. And in today's digital age, knowing how to design online is a valuable skill. Online design encompasses a wide range of things. It could be anything from creating graphics for social media, to designing entire websites or even user interfaces for apps. The great thing about online design is that you don't need a fancy degree to get started. With some creativity and the right resources, anyone can learn the ropes. What's even better? The demand for skilled online designers is constantly growing. As more and more businesses move online, they need talented individuals to help them create visually appealing and user-friendly online experiences. This translates into a huge opportunity for anyone looking to get paid for their design skills. So, if you have a knack for design and are looking for a way to earn money online, this guide is for you. We'll walk you through the steps to becoming a successful online designer. Let's get started. The online world offers a plethora of platforms where you can showcase your design talents and find paying clients. Two of the most popular platforms are Upwork and Fiverr. Upwork is a great option for finding both short-term gigs and long-term projects. You can create a profile highlighting your skills and bid on projects that interest you. Fiverr, on the other hand, allows you to create pre-packaged services or gigs that clients can purchase directly. This platform is perfect for offering specific design services like logo creation or social media graphics. When choosing a platform, consider your preferred work style and the types of design services you want to offer. Research different platforms, compare their fee structures, and read reviews from other designers to make an informed decision. Just like a carpenter needs his tools, an online designer needs the right software to bring their creative visions to life. Fortunately, there are some fantastic tools available, both free and paid, that can help you create stunning designs. Canva is an excellent option for beginners. This user-friendly platform offers a drag-and-drop interface and a library of templates to make designing easy and enjoyable. For more advanced designers, Adobe Illustrator is the industry standard. It provides powerful vector editing capabilities, allowing you to create scalable graphics for any purpose. Remember, the best tool is the one that best suits your skills and the specific requirements of your projects. Don't be afraid to experiment with different software to find what you're most comfortable with. Section 4. Building your portfolio. Showcasing your skills. In the world of online design, your portfolio is your resume. It's a collection of your best work that demonstrates your skills and style to potential clients. Building a strong portfolio is essential for attracting clients and securing paid gigs. Start by creating a website or online portfolio using platforms like Behance or Dribbble. Showcase a diverse range of projects that highlight your versatility as a designer. If you're just starting, consider offering your services for free or at a discounted rate to build up your portfolio. Volunteer to design for local businesses or non-profit organizations to gain real-world experience and testimonials. A well-curated portfolio showcasing your creativity and technical skills is your ticket to landing those coveted design gigs. Section 5. Staying ahead of the curve, continuous learning and motivation. The world of design is constantly evolving, with new trends and technologies emerging all the time. To stay competitive and in demand, continuous learning is key. Make it a habit to stay updated on the latest design trends by following industry blogs, attending webinars, and taking online courses. The more you learn and grow as a designer, the more valuable you become to potential clients. But it's not just about technical skills. Staying motivated is equally important. Set realistic goals, celebrate your achievements, and don't be afraid to seek inspiration from other designers. Remember, becoming a successful online designer is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the process of learning, experimenting, and constantly improving your craft, and you'll be well on your way to a rewarding and fulfilling career in the exciting world of online design.